Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to control the timing of your animations in Canva so you can create perfectly paced visual presentations. First, let's open up a project that's ready for some animated effects. Go ahead and select the design you'd like to work with. Great! Now choose which page in your design needs the animation. Just click on it to select it. You'll see the Animate button in the toolbar. Click that to open up all your animation options. Here's where the fun begins. Browse through the available animations and pick the one that fits your design best. Once you've applied an animation, you can fine-tune how long it plays. Click on the page again to access the timing controls. The timing settings will appear either as a clock icon or within the animation panel. Look for that option to adjust when and how your animation plays. Now you can set exactly how long the animation should last. Just drag the slider or type in your preferred duration. Perfect! You now know how to control animation timing to make your designs flow exactly the way you want. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to create beautifully timed animations in your own projects.